Hi, everybody. Linda Artesani Bookkeeping. I'm here on Labor Day weekend. I'm going to do a short post this week. It's really short, and it's about how attorneys do pro bono work and how it's important to make sure that your cash flow is in place before you start giving away some time for free. And we do it as accountants, right? We help people. Matthew Fulton and I have a group called QB Community Live. I highly recommend you joining our group, and we help others. And the group helps one another. I remember the first time somebody actually helped answer a question that wasn't Matthew or I answering the question. I remember texting him and going, "Oh my God, they're helping each other," and that was the goal of it, right? Yes, we help people, and we mentor, but it's so nice to see it when it happens in the community, because that's truly what community means, right? Together we all succeed. So again, short video, short post this week. Next week I'm going to pick up where I left off on the trust accounting and getting into how you would service your attorney client for the first time. I'm holding the camera up because I'm on my laptop and it does not give a great view for doing the video, and I'm trying to stay in the window where it's a little bit lighter, but I wanted to give you a little view of my little apartment in Rhode Island. It's pretty neat. So thanks for watching. Sorry for bouncing around a little bit here, and see you all next week.